Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a catalytic converter on a Kia Soul. First, gather all necessary tools such as a socket set, wrenches, and a jack. Always prioritize safety by working on a level surface and using jack stands to secure the vehicle. Once safe, locate the catalytic converter, typically found between the exhaust manifold and the muffler. Now, let's remove the old converter. Begin by disconnecting the electrical connectors for the oxygen sensors, usually one before and one after the converter. Next, use the appropriate sized wrenches or sockets to unbolt the converter from both the exhaust manifold and the exhaust pipe. Once all bolts are removed, carefully slide the old catalytic converter out from under your Kia Soul. With the old one out, it's time to install the new catalytic converter. Carefully slide the new converter into position, ensuring it aligns correctly with the exhaust manifold and pipe. Hand tighten all bolts first, then use your wrenches or sockets to securely fasten them. Finally, reconnect the electrical connectors for both oxygen sensors, making sure they click into place. Before you finish, double-check every bolt and connection to ensure everything is secure and there are no leaks. Start the engine and listen for any unusual exhaust sounds. If your check engine light was on, you might need to clear any diagnostic trouble codes using an OBD2 scanner. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.